Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to explain about some more numerical problems on quadratic equations. Now, see in this video, the first problem, see the sum of the ages of two friends is 30 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 96. Is the situation possible? If so, determine their ages. Now, at present, two friends are there. Their sum of the ages, their total ages sum is 30 years. 4 years ago, that means we should reduce 4 years present age. So, 4 years age. Both friends, you find out the 4 years age. 4 years age, their product of their age was 96. 4 years ago, their ages product is 96. Those two he gave conditions. By that it is possible determine their present ages. Now what are the ages of two friends? Here why he asked is the situation possible means according to given numbers sometimes it is not possible means in the roots we don't get any positive value, both negative values only will get. That means real roots we don't get. In that situation we will write this is not possible. If we get any positive value, then we will find the values. Okay. Now, present age of first friend. Friend's names not given, that's why we will think first friend, second friend. So, let present age of first friend is equal to x years. Given their total age is equal to 30. Therefore, present age of second friend. Present age of second friend is total 30 minus one friend age is already x. So, this is second friend's age. Okay. Now, 4 years ago, first friend age. 4 years ago, first friend age is equal to what? X. 4 years ago means x minus 4. So, 4 years ago, second friend age. That is, second friend age is now 30 minus x. So, 4 years ago means this one. That is, we can simplify 30 minus 4 is 26 minus x. So, 26 minus x. Okay. Their ages product, ages product, their ages product, how much? First person is x minus 4 into second person is x minus 26 minus x. This is their ages product. But given this is what? 4 years back their ages product. Therefore, according to given problem, this x minus 4 into 26 minus x is equal to 96. This is according to given problem. He gave their product 4 years back, their ages product, he gave 96. Okay, now you expand this. Now with the x you multiply 26 minus x, with minus 4 you multiply 26 minus x is equal to 96. Now 26x minus x into x square minus 4 6 jar 24 to 104 minus into minus plus 4x is equal to 96. Here minus x square, these two are plus only, so that's why 30x minus 104 minus 96 is equal to 0. Minus x square plus 30x minus 200 is equal to 0. Minus you don't want means throughout you multiply with minus x square minus 30x plus 200 is equal to 0. Now, by that factors 200, 1 into 200, 200 only. See, a into c, ac value is 1 into 200, 200. This is plus only. By adding we should get 30. You split it to 10 into 20. 10, 20 is 200. Okay. Now 20 plus 10 is 30. We can split it as x square minus 20x minus 10x plus 200 is equal to 0. This is x into x minus 20 minus 10 into x minus 20 minus and minus plus only. So this is x minus 20 into x minus 10 is equal to 0. Now x minus 20 into x minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore x minus 20 is equal to 0 or x minus 10 is equal to 0. X is equal to 20 or 10. Positive values only, no problem. Possible. It is possible, right? It is possible. Situation possible. Okay. Now we should find ages. Now present age of first friend. Present age of first friend is what? X. That means 20 or 10 years. 20 or 10 years. Second friend. Second friend what? 30 minus x. That means 30 minus 20, that is equal to 10, or 30 minus 10, 20. So, therefore, anyway, the ages of the friends 30 or 20 or 10. Is 20 means another one is 10. Is 10 means another one is 20. Like that anyway 20, 10. Their ages. Now see this one. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meters and area 400 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. This is also. If you will get means find roots not there means then you write not possible. Okay. Now how the rectangular, he wants to design a rectangular perimeter such that its perimeter equal to 80 meters, area equal to 400 square meters. Like this possible or not asking. Possible means what are the lengths asking. So, okay. Now, let length of the rectangle park is given. Okay. Let the length of the rectangular park is equal to x meters. Therefore, breadth. Okay. Now, x meters. Therefore, area of the rectangular park is equal to area of the rectangular park or perimeter, you find that is better. Perimeter, anyone but perimeter of the rectangular park, we know that is perimeter 2 into L plus B we know. So 2 into L we took it as x plus B. According to given problem, this perimeter should be equal to 80. So 2x plus 2b is equal to 80. That's why 2b is equal to 80 minus 2x. This go to that side. B is equal to 80 minus 2x whole by 2. That means 80 by 2, 40 minus 2x by 2 is 2. 2x by 2 is x. So, this one. This is what B in meters. So, breadth we got. Length in terms of x, breadth also we got, length also in terms of x. Now, area of the rectangular park. Area of the rectangular park L into B, that is equal to L, length is x, into breadth is 40 minus x. But according to given problem, this is area, this given 400. Now 40x minus x square is equal to 400. Now minus x square plus 40x minus 400 is equal to 0. Throughout with minus. So x square minus 40x plus 400 is equal to 0. Okay. Now 1 into 400 is 400 plus only. By adding we should get 40. 20 into 20. 400. 20 plus 20, 40. So x square minus 20x minus 20x plus 400 is equal to 0. X into x minus 20 minus 20 into x minus 20. We common minus means here minus. Change symbol. Okay. Now x minus 20 into x minus 20 is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 20 is equal to 0, or that is also x minus 20 is equal to 0. X is equal to 20 meters. Therefore, length of the rectangle, is it possible? This is possible, right? Possible to construct this rectangle. Okay, length of the rectangle now, x is equal to 20 meters. Breadth of the rectangle part, how much breadth? 40 minus x, that is 40 minus x is 20, so 20 meters only. So length 20 meters, breadth 20 meters, therefore it should be a square. We can construct rectangle, but it should be equal sides, square, like square. Specially we will call all these are what? Quadrilaterals. According to the properties only we are dividing rectangle, parallelogram, square, rhombus, like this, according to properties. If opposite sides are equal means we are calling this rectangle. But in this situation, length and breadth same means 4 sides are equal. Then we will call it as specially square. So by this measurements it is possible, but then it is not a rectangle, then it should be a square. Okay. I hope everyone understood this problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.